Hi, I'm Jessie, Creative Director and co-founder of Dagne Dover, and this is the Seoul Dopp Kit. It's made of recycled content, water-resistant 900D poly with repreve recycled lining. They have high-quality coil YKK zippers and zinc alloy custom matte finish hardware. The large is designed to hold your full-size travel essentials and is compact enough to fit in your suitcase or your carry-on luggage. There's two-way zippers for easy access to the top compartment. It has dedicated elastic loops for your razor or toothbrush, a secret toothbrush pocket on the outside, and a central compartment with a wipeable lining for easy cleaning. Attached is a hanger to hook onto your door or towel hanger. And that is the large Seoul Dopp Kit.